Today practical 5 to prepare to true solution, collider solution and suspension. So we will start with it, children. Good morning, dear children. Today we are starting with another experiment. It is related to your chapter 2 of science. To prepare a colloidal solution, true solution as well as suspension. So I will tell you the basic things. It is divided into 3 sub-experiments. A true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. Next B part, a suspension of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in water. C part is a colloidal of starch in water and egg albumin in water and distinguish between them on the basis of transparency, filtration, stability. Means after preparing we have to identify. Then these are the 3 factors on the basis of which we will identify whether the solution is transparent, and then we will use filter paper to do identify, and then stability means how much solute particles are stable. Then things required also I have written: test tubes, beaker, water, common salt, sugar, alum, soil, chalk powder, fine sand, egg albumin, starch, funnel, filter paper. First of all, children, I would like to tell you the definitions or the theory of these 3 words by which we are preparing the solution. Means the definition of true solution, colloidal as well as suspension. A true solution, it is a homogeneous mixture which is clear and transparent. It passes through the filter paper easily and is stable. Colloidal solution is heterogeneous and it is translucent. It passes through the filter paper and is stable. Suspension, it is heterogeneous and is opaque. Its particles do not pass through the filter paper and settle under gravity on standing. Even the solute particle size also I have written here. You can see the size is also written, as well as the definition which I told, that is also written here about true solution, colloidal solution as well as about suspension. Children, this can be also the theory, and this you have to write down in your practical notebook. And then I will show you the procedure. Procedure is here: preparation of solution and mixture. We have to take the beakers and label them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H and add 20 ml of water or 50 ml of water in each of these. Then add the sample of salt, that is common salt, sugar, alum, soil, chalk powder, fine sand to the beakers A, B, C, D, E, F respectively and stir them. Stir means mix them. Then in beaker G, boil water and add a thin paste of starch in water to aid with stirring. In beaker H, we can add egg albumin by stirring. But children, if we are not having egg albumin, we can also delete that. We can only do with the help of starch. Then we have to observe the mixture and record the table. Children, here again I have written the table and the differences. This the image also I will send you, and the same table you have to write in your practical notebook. Means this is on the basis of transparency, filtration, stability and the types of mixture which are obtained. Means after this we will prepare the result sheet. Means after practical, what are the results which we get by mixing all these matters in water, that is in the beakers. If we don't have beakers, we can use glasses also. This practical is shown, you can perform it at home. We can use spoon instead of stirrer. We can use glasses, transparent glasses instead of the beakers. If you are not able to read in this image, I will send you the picture again also related to this. Children, here the diagram is also shown. Same diagrams you have to draw in your practical notebook. Means in a beaker, the solution is there, true solution, and then we are filtering the true solution using a funnel and filter paper. Then you can see suspension solution is prepared, and again it is filtered using filter paper and funnel, means it is transferred to the another glass or beaker. You can see here the labeling is also done. Then comes colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is again made, and then it is filtered using filter paper and funnel, and it is transferred to another glass. These diagrams are supposed to be drawn in your practical notebook. Then results are written here. You can read the results. Sugar forms A solution in water, alum forms in beaker C, beaker D, beaker E. Everything is written, means what is to be formed and then what are the precautions we have to take while doing this experiment. Precautions are very necessary when you are performing it at home. You have to do it under the guidance of any elderly person who is available at home. Now here children, time for practical. Here 3 things are taken: salt, common salt, chalk powder, and the fitkari or the alum we can say, or the starch. Okay, the powder is taken, which is common thing to be used at home. Now here mixing is done. Mixing of salt in water, then mixing of chalk powder in water. You can see as I am mixing it, and then the mixing of starch in water, and then we will stir it using a spoon. Children, this experiment I am showing so that you can perform it at home also. If filter paper is not available, you can use a cotton handkerchief or any cotton or linen cloth which is available at home. So here stirring is done continuously. You can see the salt particles are completely dissolved. Now chalk powder is stirred continuously in the water, and then the starch or the alum powder is continuously stirred in water. You can see the difference. By naked eyes only we can see the difference. You can see the salt particles are completely dissolved, and we can see the solution is totally transparent. Residue is not settled at the bottom. They are stable in nature, and it is a salt solution, means it is completely transparent solution. So it is called a true solution. You can clearly see no salt particles we can see here. Then you can see children, chalk powder solution. Chalk is stirred. Children, instead of white colorful chalk I have taken, and suspension is prepared. It is opaque in nature. Residue is settled at the bottom, or sometimes it is floating on the surface of the water. Unstable solution. So it is suspension. You can clearly see, and it is opaque also, means we cannot see throughout the glass. Then children comes the last one, that is starch or alum solution. It is translucent in nature. Some residue is settling, or sometimes it is keeping floating inside the water. Partially stable. It is a starch solution. So you can clearly see the difference between the 3 solutions, children. True solution, colloidal, and as well as the suspension. Now here filter paper we will be using. See children, filter paper is there, funnel is taken, and then inside. I told you again, you can use a linen or a cotton cloth instead of filter paper if it is not available at home. Then filter paper is inserted in the funnel, and then the filtering is done of salt solution. We can see no residue is left behind, and filter paper is clear, means whole solution is passed through the funnel and transferred into another glass. Then we will use chalk powder solution. We will pass it through the filter paper. We can see the chalk residue is left behind. Chalk residue can be clearly seen. So this is suspension, means the residue is totally left behind. Children, such experiments you must have done in your primary classes using sedimentation, filtration and all, decantation. So it is the same passing through the filter paper. Now here comes the colloidal solution. So we can see the particles, some are visible on the filter paper and some have passed through. So it is a type of translucent solution, and we have studied about the colloidal solution as well as about the Tyndall effect also related to it. Here at the last I have written the colloidal solution definition also. It is the combination of molecules mixed in a substance which will not settle or join with other substance. Even the size is written, and the last words, in simple language, a colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture of two substances of different phases.